Because Synaptec's equipment uses standard primary instrument transformers and standard single-mode optical fibre, there's no specialist skills required to install this equipment beyond what is already known by installation contractors in the industry. This means that it's very quick and safe to install, and the whole system can be deployed and up and running in a very short amount of time. Synaptec sensors are designed to outlast the lifetime of the asset being monitored, and they should maintain their calibration throughout their lifetime, so there is no periodic recalibration required, which means no regular sending of engineers out into the field to test and update these devices' calibration. At the substation end, Synaptec's interrogator can be accessed remotely if the operator allows it, so that we can update software and firmware as required. For customers, this means fewer man-hours spent installing the equipment and maintaining the equipment, and so improved safety overall.